This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Positive crankcase valve replacement. Open the driver's side door and pull the hood release lever located by the kick panel. Pull the hood safety latch forward, then raise the hood. Grasp the front of the cover and lift the cover up until the grommets in the cover are free of the ball studs. Then lift the rear of the cover until the grommets in the rear are free of their ball studs. Disconnect the electrical connector from the intake air temperature (IAT) sensor. Loosen the intake air hose clamp at the throttle body. Disconnect the intake air hose retainer using a screwdriver or trim tool. Remove the intake air hose mounting bolt. Carefully disconnect the intake air hose from the throttle body. Loosen the intake air hose clamp at the air filter housing. Then disconnect the fresh air tube from the intake air hose. Then remove the intake air tube from the engine. Disconnect the crankcase vent tube from the PCV valve. Unscrew the PCV valve with a wrench and remove the valve from the valve cover. Shake the valve. The valve should rattle freely. If it does not, replace it. Lubricate the PCV valve O-ring with a light film of fresh motor oil and clean excess amounts of oil off of the valve. Then install the new PCV valve into the valve cover, rotating it by hand. Using a wrench, tighten the PCV valve securely, then connect the PCV tube to the valve. Install the intake air tube ends onto the air filter housing and throttle body. Then connect the fresh air tube to the inlet duct. Tighten the intake air hose clamp at the throttle body. Tighten the intake air hose clamp at the air filter housing. Reconnect the coolant hose retainer. If the retainer breaks, which is common, use a plastic zip tie to secure the hose in place. Then reconnect the electrical connector to the IAT sensor. Install the intake air hose plastic retainer, then install the intake air hose mounting bolt. Tighten the intake air hose mounting bolt securely. Locate the 4 ball studs on the engine and the 4 grommets on the cover. Place the engine cover on the engine, aligning the grommets with the ball studs. Once they are all aligned, push the cover down until the grommets lock into place on the ball studs. Close the hood.